Hello guys, Andrew is here, and let me help you out a little bit with some uh, suggestions and advices. Okay, I just came across this post here, listing. I will not gonna show you the exact name because I'm not sure if this is one of my students or not, but um, either way, there is something you have to learn from this. There is a lot of mistakes, and maybe this person is only trying to watch my videos or get some free stuff somewhere. But anyway, here is the point. First of all, he's trying to sell and cut the prices anyway for $7.99. His thinking is that he will gonna do $7.79 because of looks like he wants to be smarter than everybody else. But let me just warn you, it will not gonna work out. It will not gonna work out for you, not because of the price, but because you are breaking the rules, and not my rules, but I teach the best way to go with the alignment on eBay. But you are breaking, if you are the person who owns this account, you are breaking the rules, eBay's rules. Let me just adjust some things here to give you and the rest of you $7.99 students to avoid such mistakes. First of all, do not make pictures like this. This is you can make this still. The free 2-day shipping logo you can put here. This is actually number one, what you have to remember. The 2-day free shipping logo you put only now, after the recent eBay changes, you put this logo only here if this is not eBay's catalog product. If this product is in eBay's catalog and you sell it for whatever price you sell it, do not put 2-day free shipping here, all right? Because eBay does not like anymore. In the future, you will have to remove all of them, but this still works for those products who are not in alignment with the eBay's catalog, okay? So we covered this in the last webinar. So that's one thing, okay? Another thing, this picture is over-exaggerated. This is too much here. 3-pack sale, supplies, shipping, picture here, this is too much mess here. So basically what will gonna happen, even if you are not selling with the eBay's catalog and you are making pictures like this is like, even if in a Facebook, if you ever have done Facebook ads, Facebook will not gonna approve your ad just because of proportions of the text are too much. In other words, and you will not be approved and nobody will gonna see you. So what will gonna happen here on eBay is pretty much the same. eBay will not gonna approve you. Your listing will be here, your listing will be listed on eBay, but it will be almost invisible. Okay, just because of those mistakes in the picture here, in the main picture here. All right. So another thing is, I see it's somebody. Another thing is that if you were gonna do those templates here, and this is crazy mistake here. If you will do those templates here and pictures in the templates here, it means that you can put whatever price you want here, and you will gonna wonder your price is $7.79, and somebody with the same item sells for $7.99, and you will gonna wonder why I'm not selling. This is why you are not selling, because your listing is somewhere on the last page. On a best case scenario, okay? So don't do this. Don't use templates. You will be out. Okay, they worked for some while, but they are not working anymore, and they will not gonna be working at least in the future as they used to work. Okay, and those pictures, just don't do them. If there is a eBay catalog product, please use. For the main picture, use only catalog picture. The rest of the pictures, you can use those pictures, upload them with the keywords and stuff like this, but do not use all those type of like writings here, you don't have to. What is the tree pack? You don't need this tree. You can see that there is a tree pack, okay? And you can put this in description. You don't have to put this in a title. This is by the new eBay's requirement towards the pictures. Don't make those mistakes. All right. I hope it helps, and I will come back with the webinar very soon again. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.